So that's the Mobius C mounted on a carbon fibre arrow shaft. A little bit of a PVC plastic mount there just to get the angle for the nose. A little bit of a foam wedge there just to lift the angle up a little bit so I don't get as much of the shaft in the frame. Just had to move the battery back a little bit. It's not a lot of weight in the overall scheme of things, so didn't take a lot of balancing. Handled it no problems at all.